What's going on, Excel Fanatics? Verdexes here. I downloaded another one of Microsoft's Learning Excel templates. Today we're doing the formula tutorial. So let's go ahead and take a look. Get started with formulas. Now, oh, there it is. Okay, basics. Doing math with Excel. You can add, subtract, multiply, and divide in Excel without using any built-in functions. You just need to use some basic operators. Plus, minus, multiply, and divide. All formulas start with an equal sign. Right, so you know this, you've seen my past videos with this. To add, select cell F3, which is here, then type equals C3 plus C4. So instead of typing it as well, you can also select the cell, plus, hit enter, and look at that, it adds up. And just a reminder, if you highlight the two, you get a counter here, right? So it counts how many bits of data are you highlighting, what's the average numbers, and what do they add up to. Subtraction, same thing here, right? So C3 minus C4, -1. Oh, the answer's right here. Multiply, C3 times C4 and 2. And to divide, let's do that, divided by, and there we go. So we got extra credit, more detail here. Alright, so hold on. So we have our extra credit. You can raise a value to the power by using the caret symbol, like C3 to C4. Alright, so we can still do the select thing. The caret symbol is 6, holding shift 6, right, as it says. And there you go. Cool, we got extra credit. Let's see if there's anything more here that's useful. Cell reference, right, so the columns and rows, I believe. Am I missing anything? Individual cells that are grouped into rows and columns. Rows are numbered, columns are lettered. There's over 1 million rows. 16,000 columns. There's a sum function. We've gone over this and other stuff. I don't see... Obviously, I'll give you guys a link to the description of this if you want to use this yourself. This might be interesting to look at. Oh, free Excel training. I might look at this. So, okay, I think that's good for the basics, because I've gone over this in other videos. Introduction of functions. So the sum function, like we were talking about in basics and in other videos. Functions give you the ability to do a variety of things like perform mathematical operations, look up values, or even calculate dates and times. Let's try a few ways to add up values with the sum function. Under the amount for fruit, D7, here you go. Formula's already entered for us. Enter sum D3, or type equals sum. So this did it for us. Were we not supposed to do that? I didn't even enter anything yet. So you can type it in yourself. So equals sum, and then close the parentheses, and there you go for 140. Yeah, like this shortcut here is very useful as well. So we can do this now. I think I'm probably skipping around, but if you hold the Alt key and press plus, and if you actually press plus again, then it'll take care of it for you. So just pressing it once just sets up the sum formula and then captures everything, and then you have to press enter. You can also press Alt plus plus, and that would still work as well. Oh, this one is actually for the count. So try the count function, right? So same thing, so equals count. See how that pops up there? Hit tab, and then let's drag down. So it's counting the number of cells that have numbers in them, right? And like I said, count, if you highlight here, it highlights at the bottom for you as well. So that's all I have time really mainly for this intro. I'll try to jump into each one of these other ones. This date and time one I think would be very valuable, so I'll make that into part 2. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If this was helpful at all, please give us a like, and remember to subscribe. I will see you next time.